indoor car boot, come across some bits and pieces of model cars. Not a brilliant one, that one. Picked it up because of these. It's the Britain's farming tractors, which I used to collect when I was younger. For the box we paid £10 for alone. That's going for 15, yeah, 15, 20. So then that doesn't include that or the people and animals that we got. So we could be in a bit of a profit there. We also got extra wheels with that one. We had forgot 2 t-shirts which Jamie wants to keep, but we'll have to wait and see. They are listed. They're